Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome back to another video. In this video we will discuss the most important topic is Biology MCQs Part 1st. The first MCQs is which of the following is a viral disease? Option A tuberculosis, B malaria, C dengue, D. Typhoid. The correct option is C. Dengue. The hormone responsible for evolution is option A. Estrogen, B. Progesterone, C. Luteinizing hormone, D. Follicle stimulating hormone. Correct option is C. Luteinizing hormone. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. The corpus luteum in the ovary secretes option A. Estrogen, B. Testosterone, C. Progesterone, D. Oxytocin. Correct option is C. Progesterone. Double fertilization is unique to option A. Gymnosperm, B. algae, C. angiosperms, D. bryophytes. Correct option is C. angiosperms. The pollen tube in angiosperms grows through the option A. style, B. anther, C. ovary. Correct option is A. style. The process of formation of gametes is known as option A. fertilization, B. gametogenesis, C. sporogenesis. Correct option is B. gametogenesis. Energy flow in an ecosystem is option A. cyclic, B. unidirectional, C. reversible, D. none of the above. Correct option is B. unidirectional. Which of the following is a unisexual flower? Option A. hibiscus, B. mustard, C. papaya, D. sunflower. Correct option is C. papaya. Which of the following is an abiotic factor in an ecosystem? Option A. plants, B. animals, C. temperature, D. decomposers. Correct option is C. temperature. An organism that can survive extreme conditions is called option A. Piochilotherm, B. extremophile, C. endotherm, D. option B is corrected extremophile. What is the ecological term for the maximum number of individuals an environment can support? Option A. population density, B. carrying capacity, C. biotic potential, D. ecological footprint. Correct option is B. carrying capacity. The main advantage of Bt corpus is option A. higher vitamin content, B. insect resistance, C. better taste. Correct option is B. insect resistance. The first genetically modified organism was option A. Bt cotton, B. E. coli, C. Dolly the sheep, D. Insulin producing bacteria. Correct option is B. E. coli. The first transgenic crop was option A. Cotton, B. Tomato, C. Rice. Correct option is B. Tomato. Biogas production is carried out by option A. Fungi, B. Cyanobacteria, C. Methanogen, D. Yeast. So the correct option is C. Methanogens. Which enzyme is used to cut DNA in genetic engineering? Option A. Ligase, B. DNA polymerase, C. Restriction enzyme, D. RNA polymerase. Correct option is C. Restriction enzyme. Yeast is used in option A. Alcohol production, B. Antibiotic production, C. Biogas production. Correct option is A. Alcohol production. The term white revolution is associated with option A. Milk production, B. Fish production, C. Grain production. Correct option is A. Milk production. Which immune cells are affected in AIDS? Option A. RBCs, B. T lymphocytes, C. B lymphocytes, D. Platelets. The correct option is B. T lymphocytes. Which of the following provides evidence for organic evolution? Option A. Fossils, B. Homologous structures, C. Vestigial organ, D. All of the above. Correct option is D. All of the above. Which of the following is not a bacterial disease? Option A. Tuberculosis, B. Typhoid, C. Malaria, D. Cholera. Correct option is C. Malaria. The process of copying genetic information from DNA to mRNA is called option A. Translation, B. Replication, C. Transcription, D. Mutation. Correct option is C. Transcription. Acid rain is mainly caused by option A. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Ozone, D. Methane. Correct option is A. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. The main cause of ozone layer depletion is option A. Carbon dioxide, B. Methane, C. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFC. Option D. Nitrogen oxide. Correct option is C. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. The process of energy transfer in an ecosystem follows option A. 10% law, B. 20% law, C. 50% law, D. 90% law. Correct option is A. 10% law. Gene therapy is used to treat option A. Diabetes, B. Genetic disorders, C. Bacterial infection, D. Viral disease. Correct option is B. Genetic disorder. The first recombinant DNA was created using which enzyme? Option A. DNA polymerase, B. Reverse transcriptase, C. Restriction endonuclease. D. RNA polymerase. Correct option is C. Restriction endonuclease. The biogas produced from cattle dung mainly contains option A. Oxygen, B. Methane, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Nitrogen. Correct option is B. Methane. Restriction enzymes cut DNA at option A. Random locations, B. Specific sequence, C. Any AT pair, adenine and thymine pair. Option D. Only at the end of the DNA. So the correct option is B. Specific sequences. Thank you for watching my videos.